This is a number 3 master lock. 4 pins. I'm going to pick it with my Micro Mini pick set. This goes on my coat. I run the zipper up and down with it. Just love it. Has all the picks I really like. This one I use in my car.
Filmed on location with the men and women of law enforcement. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
So this one's a car. I'll use this one to pick this lock. So it goes up to the top, and push the rest of them down inside here, and then that locks in place with this little screw. So now you have a full-size pick with the here it goes. Pretty slick, just nicest mobile lock pick set. Take with me everywhere. Peace. Don't break the lock.